So here's our next problem. So we have a skier. Okay, this is a person on skis. Yes, you've noticed my artistry by now, I am sure. Make this a little bigger. And so we know the path, y equals 0.01x squared. We know where the person is at this moment. 36 meters up, 60 meters out. So be it. And we're told at this point on the path, the velocity, tangent, which would be tangential, is 10 meters per second. And the tangential acceleration is 3 meters per second squared. Now, suppose somebody then said to you, and this is obviously curved, so there's a normal acceleration, which would be going in, say, that direction. And the question for this problem is find the magnitude of acceleration. Well, you know that this would be simply the tangential squared, well, we know that, plus the normal acceleration squared, take the square root. That would give us the magnitude. All right? And AN, the normal, is either omega squared r or v squared over r. Now we know v. Here's the problem. What is r? So the whole purpose of this problem is to teach you a new equation. Okay? And so this is something that your book gives, doesn't derive it, and let me simply say this. You don't want them to. Okay? Higher level problem, so there are certain things in life that you have to be just willing to use and don't ask a lot of questions. This is one of them. So here's the equation. Radius is a function of x. So here's this curve, y is equal to 0.01x squared. The radius of curvature as you move along the x here is given by the following equation. 1 plus dy dx squared, outside bracket, to the 3/2 power, divided by, the second derivative of y with respect to x, where you evaluate it at the various x you care about. So let's just use the equation, and because that's the easiest way to learn. All right, so y equals 0.01x squared. So let's apply this equation. 1 plus the derivative of y with respect to x squared. The derivative of y with respect to x would be 0.02x. Okay? Take the derivative. Take the square, that you get 2x to the first, so times 0.01. So bracket 0.02x quantity squared. All right. Outside bracket to the 3/2. Now, here's dy dx. I need the second derivative. Second derivative of this would be 0.02. Now, I need r at x equals 60. So we take this equation and we set x equal to 60. So 1 plus 0.02 times 60 squared, bracket, to the 3/2 power. Okay? And divide the whole thing by 0.02. All right? Easy with the calculator. You can't possibly do that in your head. If you do, you can make a lot more money calculating odds and stuff in Vegas and make better money than an engineer. So, bam, there it is. All right, now that we have that, this is r at x equals 60. Okay? So then we just go, well then, magnitude of a is simply bracket, tangential acceleration is 3 squared plus 10, because that's the velocity, divided by r, 190.6. Now we square this thing. So this is the tangential, that's the normal. Square root, because we want magnitude. And we come out with 3.05 meters per second squared equals magnitude of a. And there's that problem.